In this video, we are going to walk through how you can confidently place your first trade using the BMO InvestorLine Self-Directed platform. From our dashboard, we select the Trade link. We'll use the Stocks and ETFs tab, but you can also trade high-interest savings accounts, GICs and bonds, mutual funds, options, and foreign exchange. Next, we enter in the ticker symbol for the ETF. We click on this field, which opens up a pop-up window. For this demo, we're using a BMO Asset Allocation ETF with ticker symbol ZBAL. We enter that in and we see ZBAL on the list. We click on Select and it's pre-entered to the form. Keep in mind, you can always keep on top of trading opportunities related to equities, ETFs, indices, and currencies by adding them to your watch list. In the middle, we see some basic information. We see the ticker symbol. CA means it is priced in Canadian dollars. NCF means this ETF is among the suite of no commission fee ETFs that the self-directed platform offers, so there are no commission fees to buy this ETF. The name of the ETF appears here as well as the current price. It's listed in bold at $33.98 per share. These numbers indicate that the price has gone down during today's trading session by 0.61%, or 21 cents. The next line is important. It shows what the current highest price investors are buying shares of ZBAL, the bid, and the lowest price investors are willing to sell it for, the ask. The difference between these two numbers is known as the spread. Let's say we wanted to buy $1,000 worth of ZBAL. First, make sure you select Buy as the action. On an exchange, we have to buy whole units. So we take $1,000 and divide by $33.98 per share to get just over 29 shares. The highest whole number we could afford is 29. Many transactions involve a trading commission. So to factor that in, we would just need to enter 29 shares and have the form calculate the total amount needed to place this trade. When we enter 29 in, we see that the estimated total is $985.42. We see that for this trade, the estimated commission is $0 as we are buying a no-commission ETF. Now we need to decide what order type we'd like to use. The simplest order type is a market order, where we agree to buy or sell the security at whatever the next available price is. In many cases, this will work out as we expect, with the trade going through at or near the price we saw. However, sometimes the price may fluctuate more than we expect. So it's a good habit to default to using a limit order. With a limit order, we specify the highest price we'd be willing to pay. For example, 10 cents more than the current price. If the price shoots up before our order is filled, we won't accidentally pay the high price. And if the price stays flat or drops before our order is filled, we'll still benefit from the lower price. With this in mind, let's choose a limit order and set a limit price of $34.08, 10 cents more than the current price. We'll keep the settlement funds in Canadian dollars, as this is a Canadian security on a Canadian exchange, and we want to pay in Canadian dollars. And the last thing we'll do is choose for how long our order is valid. If our order doesn't get filled today, which could happen if the price goes up past our limit price before we can enter in our trade, we can choose to have the order stand in the hopes of getting it filled in the future. That way, if the price falls back down, we can acquire those shares without having to check back every day and keep placing new orders. We click on Submit to complete our order. Once you submit your order, the system does a quick check and gets back to you with any warnings. For instance, when you buy an ETF, you'll see information about an ETF management fee, a standard fee that is usually applied. You may see a warning if you don't have enough cash to cover the cost of the trade. If this happens, you can simply go back to your order, modify the quantity, and submit the trade again. If there are no warnings, the order will go straight to market. You will then see a summary of your order, including a trade confirmation number. Our order got filled below our limit price at $34.01 per share, and we now have $986.29 invested in ZBAL. Placing a trade can seem a bit intimidating at first, but after seeing it in action, you probably already feel a bit more confident to place your own first trade. See the Education Hub for more videos on how to get started.